Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can get Jodel++, which is a tweaked version of the app, for completely free. So if you're on iOS, go to Settings, General, Background Refresh, and make sure that Wi-Fi and cellular data or mobile data is on. But this does work for both Android and iOS guys, so just keep that in mind, as it doesn't matter what device you're on. And then you just have to go to Settings, Safari, and type in sideload.dev, just like that guys, sideload.dev. Then press go, and you'll be taken to this page. As you can see, the URL at the top is sideload.dev, and in here you just want to search for Jodel. There it is, Jodel++. Just want to tap on it and tap start injection. As you can see, it'll begin downloading, and by using this method you can get so many cool features like enabling channels, get save features so you can do stuff with that. You can also spoof your location, which is really useful, like change your location so that people basically don't bother your privacy, so you can stay secure. You can also enable a add new traveler feed option in the app as well. And this currently is downloading, so it does depend on your internet speed. So if your internet's slow, this can take a little time, but as you can see, it's just finishing up. There we go. And this is the last step. In here it'll say injecting, please install 2 free apps to finish the injection process. So you just want to do exactly that and choose 2 free apps from this list, download them and run them for 30 seconds. As you can see, I'm just doing so right now and getting this up as well, just like that. And then you just want to go back to your home screen and wait for these to download. As you can see, these are both downloading now, so you just have to be a little patient until they finish. As you can see, this one's done, so you just want to open it and run it for 30 seconds so that you can authenticate with our servers and get your Jodel++ tweaked version for free. As you can see, this is just some VPN app, so what you just want to do is just connect or allow the install profile and stuff like that. Just like so, and now you can connect, and now you're verified, so you just want to go back to your home screen and open the second app, and make sure that this one is running for 30 seconds as well guys. And once the 30 seconds is over, you can just go back to your home screen, swipe, and you'll see Jodel++ appear on your home screen just like that guys. I haven't waited the full 30, so sorry guys, because I've already done this basically and it's worked for me. But yeah, the plus is what you normally don't get in the app, which means you'll have all your cool features. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace out.